Hello YouTubers, today I will show you how to assign static IP address and how to assign dynamic IP address. So first of all you have to understand what is static IP address and what is the dynamic IP address. The static IP address means which IP you have to assign in your laptop or computer manually is called static IP address, and the dynamic IP address is which IP will be collect automatically from your ISP is called dynamic IP address. So first we will show you the system of assigning static IP address. So let's go. First of all you have to click your mouse right button on the internet icon and select open network and sharing center. Then you have to go change adapter setting. There are many LAN cards you will see, but we will configure in this LAN card because this is the main LAN card in my computer, and this is the broadband connection dial-up, and this is the virtual box host LAN card, and this is the Wi-Fi. So these are not necessary, but we will configure static or dynamic in this LAN card. Okay, so you have to click your mouse right button and have to go properties. Now you have to go IPv4 because I am using IPv4 version, so we will configure static IP address in this way, and who are using IPv6 version, you have to go there. So I am going to IPv4. The IPv4 version system and the IPv6 version system are same, just the different version. So I am going to there, and I have to select use the following IP address, and here I will assign my static IP address. And what is my IP? My IP is suppose 192.168.10.2. I'm not using here 1 because the 1 is the gateway. So my subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and my gateway is 192.168.10.1. Okay, then we will configure the preferred DNS server. I am using a primary DNS server. Google primary DNS server is 8.8.8.8. This is the Google primary DNS server. You can use it easily. So let's OK, then click OK. Okay, now we will check. So you have to go status details. Here you can see your IPv4 address. See, this is working. Okay, so in another method we can check. Just click right button, Windows plus R, then command mode, then click CMD. Okay, and write down here ipconfig/all, then enter. You will show your assigning IP address here. Let's see, here is your assigning IP address 192.168.10.2. okay, it's working. So I think this is very helpful for you, so thank you very much.